Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed your day together. I've watched a few videos and seen a few posts on Google Community, but I think it was only about 2 groups that had done that. So I hope you enjoyed the Community Day. And the session on Monday, we've actually got, you're going to do short 5-minute presentations, just 5 slides. I'm sure Beth made you aware of this on when you came in last Monday. If not, have a look on Blackboard. It gives you a bit more information. So you're just going to be giving sort of a little snippet, a little taster of all the communities that you visited. And then we're going to be looking at social policy and thinking about how this relates to you as a professional. And also how it might impact on your practice. And then you're going to actually go away and research some policy and just summarise key points, and again bring this back and present it back to the group. So all this is helping towards your end point assessment, which is the presentation that you're going to be doing at the end. I really hope you all worked well together on the Community Day. Hope everyone, I think said in my last message, I hope everyone pulled the weight and everyone did their fair share of work and that you made the most of the day. So I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Bye.